How's it going, folks? My name's Graham Boyd, my Xbox Live gamer tag is AC Bongos, and I work on the Xbox team. I'm also a massive Minecraft fan, so I'm absolutely delighted to show you this. Probably the coolest and most unique limited edition Xbox console we have ever made. The Xbox One S Minecraft Limited Edition Bundle. Now you can see immediately from this packaging, this is something very special indeed. The whole console was designed with the Minecraft team at Mojang in Sweden, so if you've ever sent us your designs, requested a console just like this, or even just dreamt of an Xbox built from grass and dirt blocks, this one's for you. All right, let's get this box open. Now the cool thing here is that even the inside of the box has been designed with Minecraft fans in mind. As you dig deeper into the box, you can see layers of grass, and then here we have dirt and stone. And then check this one out as well. This one is particularly cool. So you've even got lava and some redstone ore in there as well. So even unpacking this console is a ton of fun. Here is the console itself. This is the limited edition Minecraft Xbox One S. Now, this is an Xbox One S with 1 TB of storage, an integrated 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray player, 4K video streaming, and high dynamic range. But this particular Xbox One S also has a completely unique custom design. And how cool does that look? So you can see that it looks just like the iconic grass block from Minecraft, and there's even laser engraving around where the dirt meets the grass to add some really cool depth. And it gets even cooler if you turn the console around. Look at that. This is the very first Xbox One with a transparent casing, but guess what? For those of you who harnessed the power of redstone in Minecraft, you can finally have an Xbox powered by it. So you can see that the redstone trail starts here underneath the power button at the front of the console and winds its way around the inside of the console back to the HDMI out and the power input. So it almost feels like redstone is powering your favorite games and entertainment on this very special Xbox One S. Now, here's something else cool. This Xbox has unique sounds direct from the Minecraft game that you'll hear every time you power up, eject your disc, and shut down your console. I love it! And because this console looks so cool, we want to make sure you can really show it off. That's why we've included a vertical stand. So, you just pop this on, nice big click, and there you go. So you can choose between showing off your new console vertically or horizontally. Now, if you're a true Minecraft fan, you might also have noticed a couple of other little details. I'm not going to spoil them, but let's just say that there are a few more surprises for you to find. But the gorgeous Minecraft design doesn't end there. You also get the Xbox wireless creeper controller included. Now this is one of my all-time favorite Xbox controller designs. You can see it has a gorgeous green color and finish just like our explosive friends themselves. And since no creeper would be complete without a hiss and a boom, if you turn the controller over, you can see a TNT block and some gunpowder on the back battery hatch. I also love the matte finish on the A, B, X, Y buttons and the way we've used the classic Minecraft font. That is such a cool touch. Pretty nice, eh? But that is not all. Included in the bundle, you also get a full game download of Minecraft plus the Redstone pack. You'll also get 1 month of Xbox Game Pass included, which instantly gives you access to play over 100 great games for everyone in the family. Oh, and I almost forgot, this isn't included in the bundle, but I just had to show it to you. This is the Xbox Wireless Minecraft Pig controller. You can see that just like the Creeper controller, it's 100% inspired by everyone's favorite Minecraft animal. From the pink coloring, the cute wee face, right down to the curly little tail on the back. It also has those beautiful matte buttons featuring the Minecraft font. So if you're going to play Minecraft with your friends and family, this is the absolute perfect finishing touch to your collection. So there you go. What do you think? For me, it is hands down one of the coolest limited edition Xboxes we've ever made. And it's definitely the ultimate Minecraft collector's edition. But if you like it, you're gonna have to move faster than a teleporting Enderman, because these babies are truly, truly limited.